Hello, I'm Samer, and today we're exploring how SpacesEDU turns district goals into a personal journey of growth through the competency framework within SpacesEDU portfolios. If you don't know what our portfolio templates are, check out our dedicated video about it. Let's start right away from the student account of Hero. At SpacesEDU, we know that true learning isn't just about the final grade, it's about the skills students build along the way. Whether your district focuses on core competencies or portrait of a graduate, our framework gives students the tools to truly own their story and reflect on their ongoing process. The heart of our competency framework is student tagging and self-assessment. Instead of teachers doing all the heavy lifting, students can now take the lead. To make sure your students do not miss one post to showcase their self-assessing skills, they can easily access a feed of all the existing posts left to self-assess. Let's take a look at this post. Below the post description, students are invited to do tagging by selecting the competencies and relatable skills that match their work. And by doing so, they are not just checking a box, they are identifying how they met a specific goal and which skills were used along the way. Finally, if enabled by the district, students can even apply a level of proficiency to their own work, seeing exactly where they feel they stand on their learning journey. In the long run, these repeated actions will foster intentionality and self-reflection while maintaining progress visible for your students. Let's now move on to the teacher account. For educators, this changes the conversation. Instead of assigning a grade, you are responding to your own student's assessment, a true game changer. And if activated, feel free to try out our feedback companion to leave a comment that deepens reflection. Or how about trying it another way? Add your feedback or your students' responses to the companion for easy access. And don't worry, if you get interrupted by the busy classroom, autosave ensures your feedback is never lost. Lastly, a kind reminder, if activated at the district level, students can practice self-assessment on each of their portfolio posts, while teachers remain the only ones able to assess the sections of a student portfolio. So, how does this all happen? We want to leave you with a quick view of the admin account. This is where portfolio template creation happens and the decision to activate competency framework. Nothing is ever fixed, and the parameters can be edited at any time from an administrator account. SpacesEDU makes learning visible, and the competency framework makes it truly meaningful. By giving students the power to self-assess, you're preparing them for success far beyond the classroom. Log in today and empower your students to start tagging their own success.